Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick Amazon unboxing. So the first thing I just got, the Gilmore Girls official knitting book. So this has a bunch of different patterns in it, which are fun to make. So like Rory's hat and stuff like that she wears golfing. So yeah. I have that, and then I got like 4 little, it must be in here, yeah. They're collapsible, cube storage things for my yarn, and you can put tags on them, which I'm probably not going to use those tags, because I think that looks weird on the bookshelf, but so yeah, I got they're like collapsible cubes for your bookshelf, and I got them in a rose gold metallic color. That's what I got them in. So they just collapse or uncollapse like that, and then there's like a little thing that you put down the bottom, and you put your, I'm gonna use it so I can put my yarn on it because it has a handle on it. Super convenient. So yeah, that is my Amazon haul. If you guys have any comments and videos you should do, comment down below on my Facebook page, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.